Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Ability. In this video, we're going to show you the Endurance AL Plus. This is an upgraded version over the original Endurance. This is an aluminum frame, so they were able to drop the weight on this unit by about 5 pounds over the original version. The heaviest piece on this unit is going to be 35 pounds. It does come apart easily in about 4 pieces. Once again, with the heaviest piece about 35 pounds. Now, what they also did with this unit is they put easy turn technology on this as well. So now you're going to get just over a 38-inch turning radius when you used to be at a 48-inch turning radius on the original version. You're still going to have your 2x8 inch tires, but you are going to be able to turn in that much shorter of a turning radius. They had an original light on the first version as well, this light right here, but they did not have tail lights and headlights down in the fenders, so that is an upgraded thing that they did on this unit. You're also going to go 4.8 miles an hour when the original version only went 4.2. Last thing that they did, they added better suspension in the back and they added a magnetic charge. So all you have to do now is get this somewhat close. You see the light turn on, and that means you made a connection. No longer do you have to bend over and try to find the three pins and line them up. Once again, get it in place and it will automatically connect. This is going to come with 2 different batteries. It's going to come with a 16 amp non-airline approved battery or an 8 amp airline approved battery. The range is going to depend on if you're at the 325 pound weight capacity. They say you're going to get somewhere at about 13 miles on a full charge with the larger battery pack. If you're at a 200 pound weight capacity, the larger battery pack, you're going to get up to 18 miles on a full charge. Smaller battery pack, once again, it's just basically cut those numbers in half. So if you're at the 200 pound weight capacity, you can say roughly about 9 miles on a charge. If you're at 325, we'll just say about 6.5, maybe 7. Once again, all those are depending on the terrain, the weight of the user, and the type of incline or decline that you're driving on. Now, this particular unit is going to be 20 inches wide at the wheelbase, at about 42 inches in length. I think this is a really good unit. It's a really nice, really comfortable unit with great suspension. So if you're looking for a portable scooter that's only 35 pounds, 38-inch turning radius with 4.8 miles an hour top end speed, go ahead and take a look at the Endurance AL Plus by Pride Mobility.